Hello, gamers and office professionals. Today, I am excited to introduce to you the WCG Gaming Chair Office Latex Cushion Bluetooth Computer Chair. This high-quality boss chair is perfect for long hours of gaming, working, or even just relaxing. Not only does this chair provide superior comfort with its latex cushion, but it also comes with a dual Bluetooth speaker built right into the chair. Imagine being fully immersed in your favorite games or music while sitting in this chair. The packaging size of the cardboard box is 77*59*30 centimeters, and the packaging weight is about 15 kilograms. Please note that depending on your country, there may be additional duty fees. But trust me, this chair is worth every penny. Each color has pedals, and without pedals, you can choose according to your needs. The version without a pedal is sent by default, but if you need the version with a pedal, please contact customer service to make up the difference to buy. When it comes to the wheels, we have two models, Model A and Model B. Model B has steel casters and Model A has PA, polyamide, material casters. PA casters are not easy to rust, more durable, and can be washed, making them our top recommendation. We send Model A by default, but you can request Model B if you prefer. The WCG Gaming Chair Office Latex Cushion Bluetooth Computer Chair is designed for ultimate comfort and functionality. Whether you choose the version with a pedal or without, you'll be getting a top-of-the-line chair that will enhance your gaming or working experience. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to purchase your WCG Gaming Chair Office Latex Cushion Bluetooth Computer Chair today. Don't settle for an ordinary chair when you can have the best. Subscribe for more gaming and office product reviews, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.